Hi guys, welcome to this video from Bite Size Excel, where we're going to take a first look at the number group on the Home tab. And basically this is going to give us some basic options for formatting numbers in our worksheet. So in this stock list example, we have a number of different columns with different numerical values in there. And we wanted to make it a little bit clearer, which are currency values, which are percentages, and just make the numbers a little bit easier to read. So for example, our unit price, we want to format this as currency. So we select the values we want to do. We can go to the little drop down list in our number tab and select currency. And we'll automatically format your cells as your chosen currency. The difference between your currency and your accounting formats in Excel is that your accounting format will have your currency symbol, so your pound sign or your dollar sign or whatever you've selected, to the left hand side of your cell. Also, if you put in a zero value anywhere, this will appear as a dash. So in this instance, we want to select currency and say we don't want to display the pennies. We can either increase or decrease the number of decimal points by clicking on these buttons. So clicking the left will increase the number of decimal points, and clicking to your right will decrease. Equally, if we want to format something as a number, we can click on our little drop down, or we can go to more number formats down the bottom of our list, or click on the little tab here. And you can select the same option, so number. This gives us a few additional options, so we can select the number of decimal places we want. And equally, if anything appears above 1,000, we can select our comma separator, so those values are a little bit easier to read. And as you can see, our values above 1,000 now have a little comma in there. So quickly going through that for our other cells. We want our currency. Format this as a number. And again as currency. Now this last column has percentage values in there, but at the moment they just appear as fractions. We want to make those appear as percentage numbers, and we can do that by clicking on the percent symbol here. And it will convert that number into percentage. Similarly to our other values, we can increase or decrease the number of decimal points by clicking on these buttons. There are a range of other different formatting options for our numbers. Some of the most useful in here, besides the number and currency accounting, is our date formats. So for example, if I type in 1st 6/20, it should automatically format that as a date. And as you can see, this is appearing as a date, but we might want to change it so that the word actually appears. And you will get a range of other further number formats here. So you can change, at the moment I have it set up so the date is showing for English United Kingdom. If you want your date to, say, appear in the States format, it gives you a range of options as to how you want that to look. So that's just a quick introduction to number formats within Excel. I will delve in a later video into some more options on the custom formats. However, if there's anything in particular you'd like to know, please do leave me a comment, as I use comments to inform future videos. Please do like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in a future video.